Jan and students. So let's welcome to our class. Today we will read about Dad the Cat and the Tree. Yes, the poem Dad and the Cat and the Tree. So this is written by Kit Wright. So let's introduce first of all the poet. Kit Wright born 17 June 1944. 1944 6 17. In 16 7 age he died. Crockham Hill. Nationality British. Ethnicity white. Citizenship British. Alma Mater Oxford University. Known for poet and children's author. Hometown is London. So this is the introduction of the Kit Wright. This is the glossary words which you will read in this poem. That wobbly, for goodness sake, scoffed, child's play, landed wallop, pleased, as punch, safe and sound. So let's read first poem. So Dad and the Cat and the Tree. So by the word also you just know about the things that there is a three character. Main is that Dad, Cat and the Tree. Yes. So but there's a two more character, that the wife, the mother or the son. So this morning a cat got stuck in our tree. Dad said, "Right, just leave it to me." The tree was wobbly. The tree was tall, Mum said. "For goodness sake, don't fall." So she said, in the morning when once there's a cat who stuck in their tree, and Dad said it's just a matter of it's not a big deal. I will handle it on myself. So his wife, means the mother, just stopped him and told him that don't do these things, just for the God's sake, for the goodness sake means for the good thing, मतलब इसी में भलाई, like this. So he just said that no, she said that no, you don't need to do this. So but what the Dad said, okay, it's just a not a it's just a just a 1 second, I will do all the things. So fall, scoff, Dad, climb by me. Then he said, "Fall." Oh ho. So I said, "A climber like me. It's a child play. You just wait and see." So what happened? That happened is he got out of the ladder from the garden shed and it slipped. He landed in the floor bed. Oh, this is the tragedy on the first happened with him while saving cat. So next he said that never mind, and brushing the dirt all over from his face, hair and the trouser and the shirt. Then he said, let's try plan B. Plan A is failed now. He just fall off that from the stairs, and now he want to try plan B. Then Mum said, "Don't fall again, okay?" And fall again. His dad said, "Fall again." Oh, it's a funny joke. Then he swung himself up on a branch and broke. Dad landed on the wall top and back on the deck. Mum said, "Stop it, you will break your neck." Rubbish, Dad said. So he next in the plan B also failed. He just fall from the tree, and also the branch is also broken. So Mum said that okay, now stop it, otherwise you will break your neck. So what he said, that rubbish. Now we will try plan C. Easy as winking to a climber like me. So what he do then? Then he just jumped from the wall to the tree fast. He gave a great leap and he landed flat on the crook of a tree trunk. And then and the cat, or right on the cat, is just like just where the cat was there, just only he landed over there. And then he climbed up high on the garden wall, and guess what? He didn't fall. When he jumped from the wall to the place where the cat were there, and what happened is this time he didn't fall. So his plan is succeeded, and the cat gave yell and sprang on the to the ground, pleased as Punch to be safe and sound. Yes, without any harms, without any kind of confusion. Just cat sprung means fall from the easily sprang from the ground and very pleased. No, nothing would be harm, and it's smiling and smirking, smug he can as can be. But poor old dad, still over there. He's stuck now the place where the cat were there. Now dad stuck over there, and the cat is completely fine. So what do you think? The plan C succeeded or the fail? Just think about it. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story, now you get it from the things when something is told you that this is not for your goodness, so you have to think once or twice. Like narrator's father decided to the climb to the tree. His wife warned him that he might fall, but ignoring her warnings, and he climbed the ladder, slipped and fell. And however, the moment he sprang onto the tree, and the cat jumped to the ground, safe and sound. The poor father, on the other hand, got stuck in the tree. It means sometimes it's good to listen others for your goodness. I hope you like this poem and you like this moral. Thank you.